Hi guys, it's DK388 and welcome back to today's video. We're going to make a very simple DIY raised planter as this SketchUp model that I drew up to design. So we're going to be using some 45 by 70 treated timber, and I'm going to sort of get 4 lengths together and cut them in one pass so we can get 4 even cuts. So this is the legs, and then this section I'm going to be the long cross rails, support rails. Again, 4 lengths together to make one cut, even cut, and these are the short sides. We're going to have to do 2 for each side, and then the 2 long sides, and then obviously we got all our cuts now, and then we're going to tie them together. I'm going to use some pocket holes. I'm going to use this technique with a 10mm drill bit. I'm going to drill down into the wood by a few mil, and then we're going to slowly, as we're drilling, turn the drill to about 45 degrees, keep drilling, but not all the way, just enough, and then using a smaller 4mm bit to do some pilot holes for the screw to pass. As you can see on the ends, just 2 holes for the pilot holes, and then this is the tricky bit now, is assembling all the cuts to form one of the sides. Just laid everything out here. So this is we can have a 32mm concrete slab sitting on that middle rail, and these are the side rails with the pocket holes to secure into the legs. So I'm using some 18mm packers just to pack out the spacings, and this is the complete side of one of the sides, all fully tied together. And then do that twice to form 2 of your sides. And once that's done, we can start to assemble the shorter sides. So you can see I've got the 2 rails popping up, and then we can put the 2 together and hopefully form a complete planter. And then once they're all tied together, as you can see with the level, they're all nice and even, left and right. And next we're going to use some 450 by 450 concrete slabs as the shelves to hold our soil, and I'm going to use some offcuts of land drains that I've just got laying around in the garage. I thought I'll use them to act as drainage for the bottom, and then using some landscape fabric and cover it all up. As you can see, it's double laid, and then with the land drain at the bottom just to help with the drainage so it's not soaking wet all the time, and then using a top landscape fabric for the actual compost for the planter itself. And then that's it. That's a very simple raised planter. Thanks for watching.